For best results, use the Big Green Egg Natural Lump Charcoal, made from a selection of 100% hardwoods. Natural lump charcoal burns hotter and cleaner and lights faster and easier than briquettes. Most briquettes contain chemical additives, coal, limestone, sawdust, starch, and even scrap lumber. We do not add petroleum products or chemicals to our charcoal. With our larger chunks, you will use less charcoal than you would with briquettes. It lasts longer and leaves little ash. Also, never use lighter fluid. You don't need it and you don't want that taste in your food. Let's get started. First, replace the ceramic damper lid with the dual function metal top. Open the dome and remove the stainless steel cooking grid. Then fill the firebox with the Big Green Egg 100% natural lump charcoal, just about to the top of the firebox, and you're ready for fire.